Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE S90, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. And as normal, the device is locked, so we're going to begin the process from here. Now, to get started, you will need a SIM card with a contact on it. I have one prepared right over here. So let's pop that in there. There we go. You just quickly lock the device. There we go. So it's in there. And there's the pin for the SIM card. Now, you might not have one. Just basically, if you removed it, then you won't have it. If you didn't, then put your own pin. But from there, we're going to go back to the first page right here, where we get to choose the language, and we're going to tap on emergency call. And then emergency information, tap on that twice. This will bring up the emergency information page right here. You want to edit it by tapping on the pencil and then adding a contact. Just a little tip, if you don't see any contacts right here, just wait a moment. If you don't see them in like a minute or so, reboot the device and then go back here, and it should fix the problem. Then you should see contacts. And from here, it doesn't really matter which contact you choose, just tap on any one of them. And once you do, you will see that it's now added. Tap on the contact itself, tap on the three dots, and go to share. And share will bring up a couple options right here, different ways of sharing. And you want to hold, I highlight the word hold, the Gmail icon. This will bring up the option right here to open up info. And from here, you want to tap on app notifications, additional settings in the app. And it will bring up this page right here. Tap on the three dots and go to help and feedback. And help and feedback, we're going to search for Morse code. Typing in Morse or MO seems to bring up what we need. So you can see use Morse code right over here. Select that. It has a video. Now, I probably should have mentioned that before, but you do need Wi-Fi connection for this, or just mobile connection, any kind of connection to internet. So you can actually search for this, find it, and also download the needed software. From here, tap on the video. You can see that now it adds us the option of those three dots, and when you tap on them, you have watch later. Tap on it, and it will open up browser. There we go. Accept and continue. No thanks, we don't want to log in. Disregard that, and for some reason it went back to not where we need to be. There we go. Let's close this, open a new tab if you have the same window. And now in the search bar, we're gonna search for HardReset.info. Like so. And on the website, tap on the three bars right here and go to the downloads category. And in the downloads search field, you want to search for Android 8. There we go. There should be only one app right here, so tap on download. And just to prevent any kind of problems, when you scroll down here, hold the download button and choose open in incognito tab. This will allow us to bypass a problem that I have a little bit too often with the app never finishing the download. So once it's finished, tap on open. And before we can actually install it, we'll need allow Chrome to be able to install apps from unknown sources. So let's tap settings, allow from this source, and then go back. Install, and simply wait for the install to finish. And once it has, you want to open it up. Now we're going to start off by tapping on the Google Account Manager APK install for version 6.0. And again, same premise, settings, allow from this source, and go back and install. And this time around, once it's finished installing, tap on done, and then choose bypass FRP and select browser sign in. On here, again tap on that 3 dots and again browser sign in, and this will actually take us to the Google page for signing in. And in here, using your existing Google account, simply log in. If you don't have one, you can always create it. It's free, so it doesn't really cost you anything. And once you have it, you can then go back here and use it to log in. Now I already have one, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna put in a password, so let me do that off the screen. And then log in. And you can see that once it logs in, it goes straight back to the app. And from here, you want to hold power key, select restart, and confirm that, and wait for the device to reboot. Now once it has, we will be back on the setup page, but this time around you will see that it will provide us with the info that account was added, and will provide the account that we have just used to log into Google, completely bypassing the other one. Now before you click off thinking that we're done, we're still not actually done. Once we finish the setup, we will still need to perform a reset of the device, which will completely remove any kind of leftovers from the previous account that would still block us in the future. So let's just again put the PIN, the SIM card, and skip through most of this. You don't really want to set it up right now. Like I said, we're gonna need to reset it once more. So just skip through most of it. And as you can see, there it is, account added. This is previously the page that would tell us that we need to verify a previous account. Now it says account added, and it's the one that I have put it right before the reboot. Not now. And you can see that we're now on the home screen. So from here, let's go to settings, scroll all the way down to, or it would be system, I assume. Yep, there we go. So system and reset options, erase all data, factory reset, and then reset phone. Erase everything. And I can't do it because apparently the battery is too low. I need to be at least 30%. But you would tap on erase everything, and again the device would go through a reset. And once it's finished, you should be then greeted with the Android setup screen again. But this time around, you would just be able to skip through all of this, and you would have no verification need, nor any kind of bypass. The device would be virtually fully unlocked, and you can add whatever account you want, and you don't have to mess around with anything. As you can see, I can't really progress through this, but you should tap on the erase and go through it. So yeah, I guess I'll finish right here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.